All right, ready to customize your favorite games? Let's dive into installing mods on Windows 11.
So what even is a mod?
Well, it's just a fan-made addition or change to a video game.
Mods let you totally tailor your experience, way beyond what the developers first intended.
Ready? Let's walk through 5 essential steps to get you started on the right foot.
The whole process is research, backup, download, install, and then test. Let's break it down.
First up, you have to research your game's modding scene, because every game is different.
Next, and this is super important, you've got to back up your original game files.
Think of this as your safety net. It's the undo button if anything goes wrong.
Now for the fun part. Stick to trusted sites like Nexus Mods to download your stuff safely.
To get them installed, you'll either use a mod manager or just do it by hand.
Honestly, a manager makes things way easier. It helps you install, disable, and uninstall mods safely. And finally, just launch the game. See if your new mods are working and check for any issues. Okay, before you jump in, here are a few pro tips for a nice, smooth experience.
Always read the instructions, install one mod at a time, and definitely use a manager.
People usually have a few questions about this, so let's tackle the most common ones. First one, are mods actually safe to download and install on your computer?
Yep, they usually are, as long as you're sticking to well-known modding websites.
Another big one. Can a mod actually break your game installation?
They sure can, and that right there is exactly why that backup step is so important.
Last one. How do mods affect your computer's performance when you're playing?
They can, sometimes a lot. Those fancy graphics mods can really tax your hardware.
So there you have it. With just a little care, you can totally transform your games.
The only question left is, where's your modding adventure going to take you first?